Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today's video will provide you a complete guideline about Descript AI software. Descript is a software application that combines traditional audio and video editing capabilities with advanced AI-powered features. It provides a range of innovative features that enhance the editing and transcription processes for audio and video content. You can use this software by converting text to voice and also for converting voice to text. So be sure to watch the entire video to find out how to use it. Therefore, let's begin. We'll work in 3 steps. Installing Descript software is the first step. Simply go to Google and type Descript software download. And click Enter. Now click this link here. You will be directed to the Descript website. Now, you must first install this software. Go to the link here, Download for Windows. You will be directed to this page. Your download will start in a minute. And you can see it here. Click on the download setup of Descript to start installing software. Here is the software launched after installation. Now we will move to step 2, which is to create account. Click Create Account by going here. As soon as you click Create Account, this page will open and fill in the details and click Create Account. Or you can sign in with your Google account. After creating an account, we will move to step 3, which is how to use Descript software. Once your account has been established, you can sign up by clicking here and move to your workspace. This page will be displayed after you log in the software. There are different options for you to use and choose. You can click any option according to action you want to perform. To convert text to voice, you have to click here on Start Writing. A blank page for writing will appear in front of you. You can either type the text or copy and paste the text already written. To add a voice to the text, you must click here on Speaker. A box will appear with options of many male and female stock voices already present in the software. You can play and listen to these voices one by one to choose the voice you want. Click on the name of the voice you like. That will be entered in place of the speaker. Similarly, add speaker voice to the same name as done before in all the text one by one. It will start converting text to audio automatically to the chosen speaker's voice. Text color will be changed once converted. You can also find out the progress by clicking on the clips option here. Text clips will be converted to voice one by one. You can click here on the play button to listen the voice made by software. To export your audio file, you should move to the Publish option here on top. Click and you will see the Export option. Click it to download your file to your computer. Add a file name to keep it safe. Descript offers automatic speech recognition, ASR, technology that can transcribe audio and video files accurately. This feature saves time compared to manual transcription and enables users to search, edit, and work with their content more efficiently. Click here on Choose a File to Transcribe option and choose a file you want to transcribe or convert to text. After selecting File, confirm the language and click here on Transcribe. A box will appear and you have to click Done here. The file will be uploaded and transcribed in few minutes. So make sure you click the subscribe button to see more videos from us. So thanks for watching.